Hey guys, so this is my bag review or my bag demo of the Michael Kors Jet Set Travel Tote in medium. This is in the color brown. So a little bit of backstory here is I bought this bag as a pre-loved because I don't really want to spend a lot of money buying this kind of bag, because I'm really into small, cute little bags that are crossbody or like a handbag of some sort. So I'm not really into this kind of big bags, but because I really need a big bag because I am going to have a new baby, so I need a bag that can fit all the baby essentials that I will need in the months to come. So that is why I chose to buy this as a pre-loved, and I got this in a really nice price, and this is in, I think this is in excellent condition. It's really, it looks really new, feels new, and right now I'm really loving this bag. So the preview in my video, the intro, is actually me wearing the bag. For reference, I am 5'2" and I'm regularly a small sized girl. So this is generally how it looks. And I also chose the color brown because it gives off like a casual vibe for me. I don't work in an office, I work from home, so I usually will use this bag casually, not in an office or something like that. So I chose the color brown instead of black or something dark. Actually an expert in Michael Kors bag. In fact, this is my second Michael Kors bag. The first one is given to me by my sister, which is a hand-me-down bag. It is a very old bag, but I still love it. But this one is an upgrade from that big bag. So I don't have my tape measure right now, but this is a really big bag and it can actually fit my 13.5 laptop. So this is my laptop and it fits just right, but inside it's very spacious. So this is what's inside. I would actually buy an organizer if I can find the right one for this, because I think that will help a lot. But this will carry a lot of stuff inside. So at the back portion, we have here the logo and a zip pocket where I usually put the care card. be very spacious. So I think wallets can be put here. And then on the front part, we have two multifunctional slide pocket, which can also accommodate my iPhone 8 Plus. At the back here is again a slip pocket, which is very, very deep and very spacious, and can also fit my iPhone 8 Plus, which is a very big phone. At the end of this video, I will put on a clip where I used this bag when we went swimming to the pool and what I carried with me inside this bag, so you'll see just how good this bag is when traveling, going to the beach or the pool. And as for me, just bringing baby essentials in the months to come. So I think that's it for this bag review or bag demo, and hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want more. Thank you. Bye. So we're here right now in Sea Resort. It's an impromptu swimming for us, but I bought my Jet Set travel bag and just want to show you what I have inside this bag. I actually took out my two-piece because I also went for a swim, but it's just a lot of things right now because it's an impromptu swimming here in the pool. But I have here some my extra shirt, it's a buff, have my wallet here, and then some floss, my shorts, and my extra GoPro, and alcohol. Have my phone here at the back. So as you can see, it has lots of space. It's just meant to be travel goods, so it's a really, really great bag.